What are you doing?
Read my comic book.
You're reading your comic book at breakfast. You know the rules.
I'm sorry.
Go stand in the corner. Quickly!
When and how to discipline a child is always a hot topic.
What is your problem? Look at the stain. You look like a pig.
But there's one technique that's particularly hard to swallow.
Hot sauce. That's what you're getting.
No, not again.
Yes, again. Open your mouth. Stick out your tongue.
It's called hot saucing, as seen in this episode of Dr. Phil.
Close your mouth. Did you swallow it?
I won't do it again.
Open your mouth. Now, stick out your tongue. Further, you little baby. Come on, be a man.
If you saw a mom hot saucing her
go.
child,
How does that feel?
It burns.
Yeah, maybe you'll learn next time.
what would you do? We're at the Park Avenue Diner in South Plainfield, New Jersey, where the only thing that sizzles more than the food is Barry's temper.
What are you doing? Spilling your juice all over the place?
It's a 5-alarm situation to this woman,
No more juice for you. No, just go stand in the corner.
I'm sorry.
and she tries a reasoned approach to cool down Barry.
Yeah, he's dropping stuff all over the place.
Kids do that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but there should be consequences for everything.
You can talk to him and say things 1,000 times. He's a child. Like when you explode like that,
Yeah.
what does that do to him?
Finn, let's go. Sit down. Quickly, come on, sit down. You know what? I need a minute from this. I can't.
What did I do?
What's up, little man?
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
You all right?
Yeah.
Frustrating your mom?
It's like I can't do anything right. My mom does really mean things, like she puts hot sauce on my mouth.
Really?
Yeah.
Now she makes Finn a promise.
She's not gonna put it on your mouth while we're sitting here.
I'm pretty sure she will.
Pretty sure she's not. Trust me. Okay?
But is her promise about to go up in flames?
I told you not to talk to strangers.
I'm sorry.
That's it. Open your mouth.
No, not the hot
You
sauce.
open your mouth.
No.
What?
That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. No, that's not gonna happen. Not today.
What's so wrong with it?
Can't do that.
Are you serious?
I used to get soap in my mouth.
Not today, not here.
That's not gonna happen.
You need a break.
I don't understand what's so wrong with it.
Yeah, look at this.
No.
Oh my God.
It's What Would You Do, a TV show.
Are you serious?
You're not doing that.
It was about to be an issue up in here.
He's not going with her.
Where was he going?
He was going to go with me to
Somewhere.
safety.
Your message to parents?
If you see a kid in trouble, you gotta do something.
You have to do something.
Say something.
And that's exactly what this next woman does.
Oh my gosh! Finn, really? Oh God. That's it. I've had enough of this.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean it.
Not missing a beat, Florence, a former teacher, heads over to help clean up Finn's mess.
Well, if you get another half glass of water, do you think you can be more careful?
Yes.
I don't think you can.
Well, let's see. We have to give a chance. If I sit here and watch you, will you be able to do it?
I don't get it. I'm really overwhelmed. You just deal with him, please. I just can't.
She always is really mean to me, and she puts.
You can tell us.
I'm lucky that she didn't put hot sauce on my tongue, because that's what she usually does.
When you go to school tomorrow, you ask your teacher, you say you have a problem and you want to talk to somebody, and could you talk to the counselor?
Okay, but then what are they going to do about it?
It will make you feel better talking to somebody about it. He looks like John Quiones.
That's who I am. Are you okay?
We're rolling one last time.
Don't embarrass me in public, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Will this teenager have the courage to confront our mom?
What are you doing?
Where is my mom?
What do you think? This is a toy? Sit up straight, take your hands out of your mouth,
She might wear a nervous smile,
Oh, my goodness, look at that. He could sit straight.
but Mom's behavior is leaving a bad taste in her mouth.
Would you like a milkshake?
No. He doesn't deserve a milkshake.
She's only 17,
You behave yourself, you get something.
but finds the courage to defend Finn.
He's just a kid. You know, when you're a child, that's the time for you to enjoy stuff. I don't know. It's not my place to say stuff, but I just feel like you're being kind of disrespectful.
Yeah, it's really not your place. You're just a kid yourself, you know?
She backs off until Barry storms away.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, she can be mean sometimes.
Maybe you should tell her, like, Mom, you're hurting my feelings.
She puts hot sauce on my tongue.
Will she take her friend's advice?
I'm sorry, Mom.
You should apologize.
I don't understand why he's saying that you put hot sauce on it.
Do you want the hot sauce?
No.
I don't know. Why would you do that to him? He's an idiot.
If he doesn't behave himself, that's what he gets.
That's not okay. It's some type of abuse. You shouldn't be doing that.
Wait, now who are you to judge me?
I'm just saying no parent should treat their child like that.
Time to meet Finn's underage heroine.
Tell us why you got involved.
It just, stuck a nerve with me. I don't ever want to tell someone, like, you're not parenting your child right, but sometimes, when you see something, you should say something.
Here's Finn.
Nice to meet you, hon.
And those aren't just empty words for these compassionate diners today. In word and deed, they stepped in for a child in need.